Yes, I have heard of this idea of quantum computers, which I find as fascinating as it is unsettling. When I first formulated relativity, I sought order, one of elegant equations describing the symphony of the cosmos. But then came quantum mechanics, that mischievous little devil, whispering that nature is not so easily tamed. The talk of spukhafte Fernwirkungen, spooky action at a distance, was bad enough. But now you tell me we want to build machines that run on this very madness? Perhaps next we shall construct bridges out of uncertainty and power cities with wishful thinking. Is it possible? Yes. Nature has already done the hard part. Quantum states exist, entanglement is real, and superposition is not merely a mathematical trick, but practical. That is another question. The universe does not simply hand over its secrets to any fool with a silicon chip. If we succeed, computing will no longer be a game of zeros and ones, but a litany of probabilities, where answers emerge through the very dance of existence itself. What could be the consequences? Well, they could be magnificent and terrifying at the same time. We may solve problems once deemed impossible, or we may just invent the fastest way to break every encryption method known to man. A quantum computer does not merely calculate, it contemplates. Let us not forget, knowledge without wisdom is a dangerous thing.